The holiday season can be hectic, and some folks, that can mean legal issues could be served up on the table, and these matters can be difficult and expensive, but there are great resources offering help. Attorney Larissa Drobyczer joins us now from the Stovall and Associates law firm to share some important information for those facing troubles this time of year. Larissa, good morning to you and happy holidays.
Good morning, happy holidays, and happy new year.
Yeah, we are so close to 2022, so that basically could mean like a fresh start for somebody. But if that means that they were facing something going into 2022, what are some of those top legal challenges that really people face this holiday season?
Well, I'm glad you asked me. Unfortunately, the holidays can be a great time of cheer and laughter and family fun, but it can also bring out some nasty legal issues. And some of those top legal issues for most people are going to be accidents, either due to fires or car accidents. And we always help with those kind of cases. Family law issues such as custody and visitation disputes with co-parents. There's also a lot of families that face dealing with deaths of loved ones during the holiday season due to the cold weather and old age. A lot of people are dealing with that during the holiday season. And there can also be a plethora of other issues that we're always here to help people in Las Vegas with.
I was about to say, it seems that you guys can serve and help a lot in many different issues, but let's go back to one that you were addressing about co-parenting. What's your advice on parents who disagree regarding holidays and that visitation schedule?
Well, the number one advice that a lawyer or anybody would give would be put the children first. Always look at their needs and what's in the best interest of the children. And also, if there is a court order, that the parents do need to follow the court order accordingly. And if they don't, they can be looking at some nasty conversations with a judge. So always put the children first, set your egos to the side, and follow whatever court orders you may have in place regarding the visitation schedules.
And moving on to other things that you can help with, even in the desert, it seems like when it rains, it pours. So what advice do you have for anyone who is in an accident around the holidays due to the weather, because we've had some rain recently, and fire?
Yeah, so if you are in an accident, the number one thing you need to do is get medical attention immediately. Even if you don't think you're injured, those injuries can show up a few days later, and you're going to want to get that medical treatment. You're going to want to contact your own insurance company, and you're not going to want to give any recorded statements until you've spoken to a law firm or lawyer such as ourselves as Stovall and Associates. And we always do free consultations, and we can be reached at 702-258-3034. And we've got 35 years of experience at this firm helping with injury cases.
And decades of experience, and of course the biggest advice at all, if you drink, don't drive, because you're going to face a DUI when you're caught. So what's the best thing to do if you get a DUI? Reach out to you immediately?
Reach out to a lawyer immediately, but the number one thing to do is not get the DUI. So make sure that you have the Uber or Lyft apps, and there's also rideshare programs that are available. It is so important not to drink and drive. It's cost too many lives of people, injuries, accidents, and problems that you don't need to have. So I hope that I don't get any calls from the audience regarding a DUI or accident. But if the audience or anybody that the audience may know gets a DUI or gets in an accident or has a death of a loved one, they can certainly call my law firm at 702-258-3034, and we will help them walk them through the challenges of holiday legal issues.
And that's the one thing you really have to plan on going into the new year, is those New Year's celebrations, especially here in Vegas. So be smart and use those rideshare apps or have a designated driver. And your office, you mentioned it, you offer those free consultations, but you have actually a whole legal protection plan for free to Clark County residents. What is that?
Yeah, so our law firm for about the past decade, we've been offering what's called our legal protection program. And that's free for Clark County residents, where we offer free legal consultations. We offer a free simple will, and we also offer free ticket representation. So if you get a ticket, we will fix your tickets for free.
Perfect.
And if you do have to retain our office for any hourly rate case, we do offer $100 off of attorney's fees and costs.
And when I was looking at your website, learning more about you guys, you also offer help in Spanish, right?
Yes, we do. We have full Spanish-speaking staff.
So there's always an option for you if you're looking for help through you guys. Where can we go for more information one more time?
If anybody wants more information about our law firm or our legal services, you can go to lessstovel.com, which is Less T as in Tom, OVALL.com. And we have a tab on our website called Free Legal Services. So we're looking forward to helping everybody. They can either find us on our website, lessstovel.com, or call us at 702-258-3034.
All right, Larissa, we appreciate your time this morning. Happy New Year's to you.
Happy New Year's!
All right, we'll see you in 2022. All right, if you are in need of advice, be sure to contact the team. That's right there on your screen. We have that number for you, Les Stovall and Associates Law Firm. There are information right there, like I mentioned, on your screen with 4 decades of experience here in Las Vegas. We'll have all of this on our website as well.